it's time to help them.
Introducing our new invention.
Malaysia is also a country that facing the problem of not having clean drinking water. There are 1/4 of population in rural Malaysia lacks access to safe water. The relative is even bleaker in indigenous community, which has been displaced and have often lost access and use of land. Compared to non-indigenous community, health disparities remain stark. The orang asli make up 0.7% of the population in peninsular Malaysia and approximately 60% of population in East Malaysia. For the reason outlined above, their healthy situation is significantly poorer than the rest of the Malaysian population. Between 2003 to 2007, the orang asli infant mortality rate was double the national figure, and the prevalence and intensity of parasitic infection was high. Some of the community up to 90% in and above.
We're using two nexus, that's water and energy. We use wind energy, it is because their place electricity is not function as well as city. As our prototype, we will put a pipe from the river, will connect to the filter that placed on their house. The water from the river will import to the filter by using water pump. When we need water, we can just use our app inventor to turn on the filter and we will get a clean water. If we no need already, we can just use the app inventor to turn off. Compare our filter with normal filter, our filter is using wind energy. As this side, we can decrease the electricity amounts to save more money. On the other side, those normal filter is expensive too. Based on our survey, those normal filter is hard to afford for those people who having low salary. That's why we build this prototype to help more that needed.
I will be explaining about our target marketing. As we all know, every project has its own business potential. Our main target is orang asli. There are approximately over 200 millions, and in Malaysia, about 5.5 million. And in Sabah, there are about 3.4 million. Even taking the 5% of the household in Sabah, there are still a large amount. But this is just the beginning of the journey. In the future, we plan to approach village and countryside as well.
At the future, we decide to maximize the size of our innovation to help more people at the same time. It might be as big as a water tank and also could as small as a water tumbler.
Okay, so the heuristic that we learn from this innovation is sympathize and also empathize. Firstly, is able to sympathize and empathize towards the problem. We believe that we have understand the core problem even before thinking of the solution. Besides that, we also know it is important about dedication of a team works. Second, we did not only learn teamwork, but dedicated home teamwork that help us overcome all the challenges, misunderstanding, and obstacles that we face through the journey. Lastly, we should think out of the box. We wanted to come up with a simple solution, but something that is able to benefit the vast community, and that is what we have learned throughout this journey.